So how do we insert a hyperlink? Actually, it's really easy. I'm going to navigate to Google Drive or wherever you're, wherever you're going to be storing your files online. If you're storing them on Google Drive or Microsoft 365, something like that, there is a URL associated with every file. So here I have a lab report. I'm going to right-click it, get the shareable link. It's going to copy it to my clipboard, then navigate back to the spreadsheet, click on the cell that I want to insert the hyperlink to, and there are a few ways I can do this. One is I can right-click on it. I can right-click on it and hit Insert Link. That'll open up a little, here's the text in the cell, here's the link, and I can paste it and hit Apply. Another way to do it is while you're selecting the cell, go up to the toolbar, select the link icon, Insert Link. There it is again. A third way is on a Mac, you can hit Command K or Control K on a PC probably, and you get it again. So there's 3 ways to do it. It's real easy. Paste in the link, hit Apply, and the hyperlink will appear right away. You can see that these first 3 swabs are on the same date. So the report may encapsulate all 3 of these surfaces. So if I want to extend that hyperlink, I can just drag down, and there I've done it. So when I click on the hyperlink, it shows a little link. I click on that, and it opens up my lab report. That's it for hyperlinks. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us by making a comment or contact us directly at our website, www.foodsafetyguides.com. You can also reach us at info@foodsafetyguides.com. We look forward to hearing from you.